Namaste, my name is Jimmy Jain. I'm really excited. At the same time, I'm feeling very grateful for the opportunity extended to us by the team at Sterling.
Bringing that shift in mindset to make sure that they can do better and more. That's what I enjoyed seeing. Plus, we're in the middle of this beautiful property, which I think only enhance the experience.
So today we had a fantastic combination of 3 days of sales workshop for Sterling guys. And let me tell you a very important thing. Sales people, either they work hard on mindset or they work hard on skill sets.
Today's workshop, if you talk about, started right from the blueprint to the execution. Everything was amazing and it was just flawless. It went like as if it was been not the first time that we're doing this program. Everyone involved, right from the participants to the property team who's been managing this activity, all have been deeply involved in this activity and they really, really have enjoyed every bit of it.
I've been attending Jimmy Jain's training session at Anaikatti for the last 3 days. In fact, today is the third day of the training, and I just would like to tell you all that it has been an amazing training.
It was a nice learning experience during this 3 days sales capability training program at Sterling Anaikatti. And first of all, I would like to thanks the team Sterling for organizing this sales training, and also would like to thanks Dr. Jimmy Jain, Mr. Arvind Mishra, and Zoya as well for giving such a wonderful learning experience during this 3 days training program.
Here we got to learn some new things like we like how to work as a team and how to market ourselves and how to be confident and always be positive.
All 3 days were great. It was a great learning. It was a self-realization of our real potentials with the help of the activities.
My biggest takeaway is that basically I feel that it's a personality growth and think big. It's always in life, no, you should not think small. Think big. Biggest takeaway for me over here.
It was very good for me to learn new things. I have learned just from there, like we need to target our Feb 2 first to start any sales call or any product selling. And then I have learned to T20, like 2020, we need to change our selling strategy as per the market.
Hopefully, it's all technique we have learned last 3 days. It will improve us. Going to improvise us our sales, pitching techniques, identify the clients, and in which will help us to close the deal.
Very good training session for us right from day 1, day 2, and today we are in day 3. Each day was absolutely mind opening in terms of the sales and then the customer behaviors.
Here since last 3 days, enjoying and developing our sales skills with the lovely trainers. Dr. Jimmy Jain, Arvind Sharma, and Zoya Netarwala are being very helpful and been giving us a good training programs.
First of all, I would like to thank Sterling Management for arranging these 3 days session for us. And I thank 𝗬𝗪𝗀 also for arranging all these activities and the special training program for us, which was very helpful, enhancing our, basic, going back to basics again and getting into, more knowledge, more information, how to use it on a day-to-day basis for our sales skills.
Over 3 days of training, we had a wonderful and enriching experience. We learned new strategies to improve our sales approach and stay positive and enhance our overall performance.